Welcome to this video on the SQL Data Refinery. We'll explore how to use aggregate functions, the group by clause, and set-based operations to transform your raw data into clear, actionable summaries. Aggregate functions are the summarizer tools of SQL. Instead of showing you every row, they allow you to compress multiple rows of data into a single, meaningful summary value. To illustrate these concepts, we'll use this exams table. It contains student IDs, names, classes, subjects, and marks. This dataset will serve as our raw material for all the operations we cover in this video. You can extract multiple summaries at once. For example, using count, sum, average, man, and max on the exams table, you can quickly calculate totals, averages, and identify top performers in a single query. Aggregate functions become even more powerful when combined with group by. Instead of summarizing the entire table, SQL splits the data into distinct buckets based on the column you specify. Once the data is organized into buckets, aggregate functions apply independently to each group. This allows you to generate specific summaries for each category, like calculating average marks per class. Remember the golden rule: never mix row-level data with summaries. If you select a column that isn't part of an aggregate function, it must be included in your group by clause, otherwise the query will fail. It's important to distinguish between where and having. Where filters individual rows before they are grouped, while having acts as a filter on the aggregated groups after they have been processed. The database engine follows a specific pipeline. It starts by grabbing data from the table, filtering it, grouping it, applying filters to those groups, and finally performing selections and ordering. Let's see this assembly line in action. By grouping by subject and using having to filter for more than one student, we can efficiently extract the highest marks for specific subjects and order the results. Common pitfalls include missing data due to null values, using where instead of having, or inaccurate averages due to integer math. Being aware of these helps you diagnose and fix query issues quickly. Use this translation matrix as a quick reference. If you need to count, sum, find averages, or filter by categories, you now have the right tools in your SQL toolkit.